How would this DIY hot tub with a water feature look in your backyard? Maybe you think you couldn't afford it? What if you could build this hot tub for less than $7,800? And that includes the water feature. This custom-built spa's customer was a plumber in Tennessee. With a little help from a few of his friends, he built this awesome hot tub in his backyard next to an existing swimming pool. This eye-catching, round, above-ground hot tub was built by retired electrician Richard S. in Washington State. With a little help from a buddy who was a mason, they added a beautiful stone facade as a finishing touch. Ryan N., a software engineer from Utah, built this cozy backyard hot tub with help from his sons and daughters. Ryan did a great job considering this was his first DIY project of this kind. He also included a simple waterfall feature for his project. Custom-built spa's customer, Del C., a bandleader for a headliner magician Chris Angel at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas, built a nice simple, round, in-ground spa at a home that he recently purchased in Las Vegas.
There is no better time than right now to see how you can save a ton of money on a spa, hot tub, swim spa, or small pool. Visit Custom Built Spas today. See what they can offer you and how they can help you get hot without spending a lot.